class HexClad Hybrider Bilton Ponsiasi Asinka Himiton Bill Limiton Mika Scratch loading in Potemnaxi in I hit terrible. He to a turtle like the other Miss brand new 12 inches walks. Mi ka sin lo ama lo he mi bil he kana he mi bil sin ka mang tlang thai he mi chok ko lo he lon fry na ka mang le na chicken nugget te be mo be ya cho te ke na ka mang le na today he mi he 10 inches walk see he mi he pung man every day make yo na perfect set today me a scene to your me pan scene pakadam bomo an second glay me see me pani set cuts wrong and a shantin lady too himi a head himi fry pan le scene a hen zanni le tise jurong a patni galay man zanni the som tum wrong long katia a shantin le a kong a satsima Himi fry pan si picture arti kya na himi pani chika mang sa every day arti kya na le na kya na si to himi ka seasoning na city thon ka yang lau tar na ka seasoning na himi ka tu biak himi te ka baby si ka orto
shop for 1/5 the price. Before we proceed further, I apologize for the mess in my kitchen. I haven't had a chance to clean it yet. However, as per the manual, medium to medium, high heat is recommended for the wok. Okay, let's give this wok a sunny side up egg test. Oh well, let's continue with this. So here we have a decent shape for a sunny side up egg. It's not a perfect circle, but perhaps I'll drop the egg more slowly next time. Since it's a brand new wok, I'll use the silicone turner to avoid scratching it. Although there is a warranty for this wok, I don't want to risk messing it up on its first use. As you saw earlier, I didn't use any oil on this. For now, I'll slowly lift the sides and observe how the egg sticks to the wok. Wow, did you see that the entire egg is gliding? Okay, I'm gonna try to give it a toss with one hand and see if I can flip the egg. Well, that didn't work for me. However, I must give myself credit for trying. I'm impressed. Good call, Jessica.
This thing's awesome. I cook quite a bit and I've had everything from stainless to cast iron. But I never buy non-stick because of the Teflon is awful. This works amazingly. I love it even more than all my really nice stainless steel. And the fact that it's non-stick and doesn't scratch even with metal utensils is amazing. Oven safe. I really can't say enough good things about HexClad and this wok in particular. I mean, I love cooking up stir fries or all my veggies or even just some scrambled eggs, fried eggs, whatever you want. I seasoned it, but you don't even have to do that. I seasoned it and then, I mean, it's perfect. Everything slides right off. I use a little bit of olive oil and or coconut oil, but even without, it works wonders. So yeah, if you're even curious, you will not regret purchasing these. Any of the HexClad stuff. It's all great.
That's the non-stick. And second, steel on metal. And there's your color. Not bad for an indoor burger.
The video says you can use metal utensils in any HexClad pan, and it's not true. It scratches. False advertisement.
That's amazing. Love it.